Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we have a page break preview in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see here, we have a sample project with the name of college, the fee structure, the seat availability, the total number of seat, and the time and the date they're having the counseling. So as you can see, this is in currently in normal page view. There's nothing but this is a dotted line which represents the page split. Okay. So to have a page break preview, we'll just click on this view, and in this workbook group views we have the second option, that is page break preview. Just click on that. Now guys, when you just click on that, then as you can see, this whole project is divided into, it's broken into different pages. Like here it's clearly written page 1, page 2 and page 3, and this blue line denotes the page break. Get it? Now to check it whether it's divided or not, what we have here, page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. So we'll just press Ctrl plus P for the page preview, and here you can see there the total number of pages you have in the document. Okay, so yes, this is the page break preview guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.